Find the weight of C from the figure given. This is the figure given and we have to find out the weight of C. See here, A plus B is 24. See here, its balancing means what? What does balance on any balance? Means if you take any balance and put two weights on the other side, they balance only if they have the same weights. So A plus B together means 24. A plus A together means 32. B plus C together means 13. So it's very simple now. A plus A together. Let's solve this. See here. A plus B equals to 24. A plus A equals to 32. B plus C equals to 13. So which is easier to solve? This A plus A. 2A equals to 32. A plus A is 2A. So A equals to 32 divided by 2. This 2 comes this side. So A equals to 16. 2 16s are 32. Now put this A in number 1. Now 16 plus B equals to 24. This number 1. Instead of A put 16. So B equals to 24 minus 16. This 16 goes on the other side and B remains over here. So it's 8. See here, I have solved all these things and shown you how the plus, minus and division works in earlier videos. So that's why I am not wasting your time over here. So 16 here, B equals to 8. Now put this B 8 in the third equation. So what is that? B plus C equals to 13. So 8 plus C equals to 13. So C equals to 8 this side. So 13 minus 8 is 5. C equals to 5. B is the answer. Try it yourself again. I would suggest pause this video and try it yourself.